The moment you slice into these chicken rolls, you'll see exactly why this dish is so special. Juicy, flavor-packed chicken wrap in a rich tomato sauce, then served over buttery Persian saffron rice with sweet ruby barberries. It's so comforting. Start by adding 1 large onion cut into quarters, 1 garlic clove, and half a red bell pepper to a food processor. Pulse just a few times until everything is finely chopped. Be careful, you don't want a watery puree. Now, add 2 chicken breasts cut into chunks, followed by Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper, paprika, and a blend of ground coriander and cumin. Pulse again until the chicken is finely minced and everything is evenly combined. To help the mixture hold its shape while staying tender, add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a few more quick pulses until you have a smooth chicken mixture. Be careful not to over-process it. For the filling, slice 1 carrot into thin planks, stack them, then cut them into fine matchsticks. Do the same with the green bell pepper after removing the stem and seeds. These colorful vegetables add freshness, texture, and a beautiful cross-section once the rolls are sliced. Now for assembling the chicken rolls. Here's a little trick that makes shaping incredibly easy. Lightly mist your cutting board with water, then lay a sheet of plastic wrap. Give it another light mist of water. This keeps the plastic perfectly. Spread half of the chicken mixture into a neat rectangle about ½ inch thick. And don't forget to share it with your food-loving friends because it's colorful and elegant food. Arrange the carrot matchsticks, then add just 1 layer of green bell pepper on top. Don't overfill the roll, keeping the filling light helps it stays perfectly shaped. Using the plastic, gently roll everything into a tight lock, pressing lightly as you go to remove any air pockets. Wrap the roll in another sheet of plastic or a clean freezer bag and twist both ends tightly like a candy wrapper to lock everything in place. Repeat with the remaining chicken mixture to make a second roll, then transfer both rolls to the freezer for about 45 minutes. This helps them firm up, making them much easier to sear. While the chicken chills, let's make the sauce. Finely diced 1 small onion and saute it in a little oil until it's beautifully golden. Stir in 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 1½ tablespoons of tomato paste. Then cook for another minute until the paste darkens slightly and becomes fragrant. Season with all-purpose spice blend, salt, and juice of 1 fresh lemon. Let everything cook together briefly before pouring in boiling water. Stir until the sauce is silky, smooth, and perfectly combined. After 45 minutes, remove the chicken rolls from the freezer. Heat a generous drizzle of oil in a large skillet. Then carefully place the rolls into the hot pan. Add a little butter and let them cook undisturbed. Then continue turning the rolls until all sides are beautifully browned. Once the rolls are evenly seared, carefully pour the simmering hot tomato sauce into the pan. Spoon some of the sauce over the chicken. Cover with a lid. Then let everything cook gently over low heat. Now, let's make the rice. For each serving, I use 180 milliliter rice cooker cup of premium Persian rice. Rinse the rice several times until the water runs almost clear. Transfer it to a non-stick pot and add enough water to cover the rice. In Persian cooking, we traditionally measure the water by making sure it reaches about 1 finger width above the rice. And season with 1 generous teaspoon of salt for every 2 cups of rice. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. As it cooks, skim off the foam from the surface. Stir in a tablespoon of butter, then continue cooking until the water has completely evaporated. Wrap the lid with a clean kitchen towel and cover the pot. Reduce the heat to low. About halfway through cooking, gently turn the chicken rolls over, spoon more of the sauce over the top. Cover again and continue cooking until they are completely tender. Altogether, the chicken should simmer in the sauce for about an hour. Now for one of my favorite parts. Melt half a tablespoon of butter in a small skillet, then add a few tablespoons of dried Persian barberries, sprinkle in a tablespoon of sugar and toss everything together for just 30 seconds. Transfer the caramelized barberries to a bowl, mix in a little brewed saffron, then fold in a few spoonfuls of the steamed rice until every grain is coated in that generous golden color. Carefully lift the chicken rolls out of the sauce and slice them into thick rounds. Every piece reveals colorful vegetables wrapped inside incredibly juicy, flavorful chicken. The rice should steam for about 30 to 35 minutes until every grain is perfectly fluffy. If you love this recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes. To serve, spread the steamed rice onto a large platter, top it with the saffron barberry rice, arrange the sliced chicken rolls over the top, and finish with plenty of that rich tomato sauce. Every bite is filled with the warm, comforting flavors of Persian home cooking. Enjoy!